name is Larry, from sunny Florida now, but for 60 years before this, I lived in New York until my tax debts and costs drove me down here, and I was in the middle of a nightmare. And instead of dealing with it, I would put my head in the sand and figure it would go away, but it didn't, and it kept getting worse. Fortunately, I found Clear Start Tax. I've been dealing with them for less than 6 months. There have been no problems, no issues. They are professional. They follow up. They're thorough. They answer questions. They return calls. They're just wonderful. I'm dealing with a debt relief firm also, and they're the polar opposite. They're a nightmare. To get anyone on the phone, to get anyone to return your call, to get any information, it's just the polar opposite of Clear Start. They have taken the cloud over my head and the monkey off my back, and where I had been on my own arrangements with the IRS paying $250 a month for a long time, Clear Start just completed an agreement for installments with the IRS for me that will cost me $120 a month. My situation with the IRS was that $250 a month set up by myself and my former accountant, and it was like that for a long time. Well, they just got it cut in an agreement with the IRS to from $250 to $120. What I would tell anybody that's going through a debt crisis, a tax debt crisis, it's horrible. It just doesn't go away. Don't put your head in the sand like I did. Call a company, Clear Start. That's who you call. And I thank them very much. They're wonderful.